Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can switch your Google account. We're going to show you how to do this on Google Chrome, how to also do it from Gmail, and the same principles also apply across the other devices too. So as I get into this, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. Okay, guys, so here we have a Google Chrome window open, and we just logged on to Google Chrome here. In the top right-hand corner, you can see that I have my little logo here, and if I hover above it, it tells me my Google account, it tells me the name, gives you the email address, which should be blurred out for the purpose of this video. But basically what you do is you would click into this, and then when you're in here, you can see that it has show more accounts. And if you can't see that, there should also be, sign into a different account or something to that effect. But because I'm already signed in on multiple different Gmails, what I can do is come into this little arrow, click it, and it's going to open up all of the different Gmails that I have access to or that I've signed into before. Right? Some might not be signed in, as your case is here. As you can see, there's a couple that are not signed in, and there's a few that are indeed signed in. What I can do is I can switch by clicking into any of these, and it's going to switch my Google Chrome from my original Google Chrome into this new one. So for example, I'll go ahead and click on this one right here, and it's going to load up this new profile up here. And again, I can hover above this and it's going to show you your name. It's also going to show you your email address that you are signed in on. So that's how you essentially switch your Google account inside of Google Chrome. But what about Gmail? Well, if I come over to Gmail, which is this option right here, give that a click, it's going to load up the Gmail for the account that has been signed in. Okay, it's going to load this up. It's going to look like this. Okay, again, the same principle applies. You can click on this little icon right here, and you can come down to your other accounts. I'm going to scroll down to this account right here, which is my default account, and I'm going to click on that. What this is going to do is it's not going to switch the profile within Google Chrome's Gmail. It's actually going to open up a brand new tab in Google Chrome for this particular email address. And you'll get all of your emails for this one here. So you now have two tabs, both of them operating in the same way. Okay, and you can have multiple ones open, okay, operating like this. So you can see that this is how you have your Google sessions logged in. And also you can see at the top here, a different profile. You click that one, and this one also shows you your actual Google Chrome instance and what that is loaded up as. And from here, you would have to completely log out or add a Chrome profile. You add that, you can open up a different one. You could also manage Chrome profiles from here as well. So you could switch the different profiles of Chrome. Now, for those who don't know, what that essentially means is you're going to be able to have different bookmarks on different profiles, different tabs that you might have pinned on different profiles, and be able to operate them that way. So there's a lot of nuance to it, but essentially that's how you would do it. Make sure you're logged in to the email addresses or to the accounts, and then you can just switch between them as you need to. And so that is essentially how you would go ahead and switch your Google account on Google Chrome, Gmail, and so forth. And it's the same principle that applies to pretty much most of the Google products. If this has worked for you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.